So what motivates me to do this, what motivates, I think, Margie and I to offer a couples workshop like this is the recognition that people have a hard time communicating and being authentic, especially in intimate relationships. And we know the statistics. In this day and age, couples don't stay together very long, and there's a reason for that. And part of what Margie and I have figured out and what we teach is the basis of a quality relationship starts with the relationship with the self. So many people are taught that a coupling is a giving up of boundaries, and you see it in the symbology where the two circles become one, where the two candles become one. Those are all symbols, and the problem is that in our society today, people have taken that literally, where they literally lose their boundaries. And the problem with that is when the two circles, the two individuals, meld into one, then the individual gets lost, and who you were originally attracted to is no longer there because you've melted into something. So part of what we teach, and what's important about learning what we teach, is to individuate again. And when you get the ability to individuate, you find passion again. And the neat thing about being in a couple is there's a third aspect to it. When you have the ability to become an individual again within the coupling, then the relationship takes on a life of its own. And part of the dance that happens within a couple is the trusting of that bond. Being able to have your wants and your needs met, as well as your partner's wants and needs met. And the couple stay whole. What we teach in our workshop is how the individual takes responsibility for their part of the relationship and regains their own individuality. And when the two individuals become individuals again, it allows for there to be excitement and growth and heat and passion. And that's the motivation for doing this, is to give people those little pieces that get dropped away because of the symbology in society.